Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Lexus NX, a luxury compact SUV that has been turning heads since its launch. Lexus has taken the NX to a whole new level with a bold design, advanced technology, and a performance package that aims to compete with some of the best in the segment. Whether you're looking for a stylish city SUV or a comfortable yet dynamic ride for longer trips, the 2026 NX has a lot to offer. So, buckle up as we explore every angle of this vehicle, from its aggressive exterior design to its luxurious interior, performance specs, and pricing details. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the front end of the 2026 NX is where Lexus has really made a statement. The signature spindle grille has grown larger and more angular, giving the SUV a presence that commands attention. The intricate mesh pattern within the grille adds a sense of refinement, and the sharp, triple-beam LED headlights give it a futuristic yet aggressive look. The daytime running lights sweep into the front fenders, creating a bold, continuous visual line that emphasizes width and stability. The front bumper has been sculpted with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, featuring sharp edges and air intakes that not only look sporty but also enhance airflow to improve fuel efficiency. Every angle of the front has a sense of precision, making it clear that Lexus has invested heavily in both style and engineering. Moving along the side profile, the 2026 NX carries a sleek, coupe-like silhouette that balances elegance with sportiness. The lines are clean but assertive, with a strong character line running from the headlights to the rear taillights, giving the SUV a sense of motion even when standing still. The wheel arches are slightly flared, hinting at the performance capabilities beneath, and the standard alloy wheels are available in multiple designs ranging from 18-inch to 20-inch sizes, which further elevate the vehicle's road presence. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining a spacious interior. The side mirrors are aerodynamically optimized and include integrated turn signals, while chrome accents along the window line and lower doors add a touch of luxury without being over the top. Overall, the side view of the NX is a perfect blend of sport, sophistication, and functional design. At the rear, the 2026 NX continues to impress with its bold and distinctive look. The taillights feature a continuous L-shaped LED design that stretches across the back, creating a modern and cohesive visual signature. The rear bumper is sculpted and muscular, with subtle diffuser elements that hint at sportiness without being aggressive. A subtle spoiler atop the liftgate not only enhances aerodynamics but adds to the sporty flair of the SUV. Dual exhaust outlets integrated into the lower bumper complete the performance-inspiring look, while a wide stance gives the NX an athletic posture on the road. Even at a distance, the rear design clearly signals that this is a luxury SUV with a modern and dynamic personality. Interior. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 Lexus NX is where luxury truly meets innovation. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with high-quality materials used throughout. Soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery, and optional open-pore wood trims create an upscale ambience that rivals vehicles in higher segments. The dashboard is driver-centric, with an intuitive layout that places the most used controls within easy reach. A large, higher-resolution touchscreen sits prominently in the center, featuring the latest Lexus interface with enhanced responsiveness and compatibility with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is fully configurable, allowing drivers to prioritize navigation, media, or performance data depending on their preference. Ambient lighting across the cabin adds a sophisticated touch, especially during night drives, while the panoramic sunroof option floods the cabin with natural light, making it feel even more spacious. Seating in the NX is comfortable and supportive. The front seats offer multiple power adjustments, heating, and ventilation options, while the rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom for adults. Even on longer journeys, Lexus has also prioritized quietness, with extensive soundproofing and acoustic glass ensuring a serene ride. Storage is generous for a compact SUV, with split folding rear seats and numerous small compartments for personal items. The cargo area is well-sized, and a power liftgate option adds convenience for loading groceries or luggage. Attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the stitching on the seats to the ergonomics of the center console, making the interior of the 2026 NX a space you genuinely want to spend time in. Performance under the hood. The performance of the 2026 Lexus NX is as impressive as its design. The base NX comes with a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, producing a respectable 275 horsepower and 317 pounds-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup delivers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and a quiet driving experience that feels refined yet capable. For those seeking hybrid efficiency, the NX 350 offers a combination of a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine with electric motors, producing a combined output of around 240 horsepower while providing significantly improved fuel economy, making it an excellent choice for city commuters or eco-conscious drivers. The top-tier NX 450 Plus plug-in hybrid delivers even more power and flexibility, with around 300 horsepower and an electric-only range of approximately 37 miles, which is impressive for a compact luxury SUV. The suspension system strikes a balance between comfort and agility, with adaptive dampers available on higher trims to ensure that the ride remains composed even on rough roads or tight corners. Steering is precise, brakes are confident, and all-wheel drive options further enhance stability and control in all driving conditions. Overall, the 2026 Lexus NX represents a significant step forward for the compact luxury SUV segment. Its aggressive and modern design, both inside and out, is complemented by refined and tech-packed interior. Performance options cater to a wide range of drivers, from those seeking efficiency to those craving sporty power, all while maintaining Lexus's renowned reliability and attention to detail. Safety is also a key highlight, with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 providing advanced driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the NX feels planted, responsive, and surprisingly engaging for its class. For anyone in the market for a compact luxury SUV that blends style, performance, technology, and comfort, the 2026 Lexus NX is a strong contender that deserves serious consideration. It's a vehicle that doesn't just transport you, it elevates the driving experience, making every trip feel a little more special. That's it for today's in-depth look at the 2026 Lexus NX. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Trendz TV, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest car reviews, comparisons, and exclusive first looks. Drop a comment below letting us know which trim or feature of the NX caught your eye the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for another detailed car breakdown. Until then, keep enjoying the ride and stay tuned for more automotive insights right here on Trendz TV.